Who else is available right now? James Hopkins.
You know who else is also in the air conditioning right now?
James Hopkins.
This guy right here. I went to the Trop a couple weeks ago for my first game. It is comfortable inside there because last year, of course, we were at Steinbrenner when we went and saw them. So luckily they got the roof fixed on that. The air conditioning's working fantastic in the Trop. So if you want to take a break from the heat, you head on inside. Today through Sunday, weather impact alert, and it's all about the heat from noon till 7, all 4 days, and might even extend this into Monday. The dangerous heat feels like temperatures 105 to 109 to 110 possibly. We'll see some, maybe even like we saw Lakewood Ranch at 114 yesterday. So again, it is going to be hot. Take a live look outside, and actual temperatures not bad, 86 to 90. And again, you see a lot of blue sky, but it's all about that humidity, and we're already seeing quite a few spots. Riverview's already at 109. You see a few showers work their way into the Nature Coast, pushing their way across 75. That'll move their way towards Polk County. But this is what we're going to see for the rest of the day. Just really hit or miss. More miss than hit for today. And you can see the big picture. Not a lot going on. High pressures in the Gulf. That's why we have our flow out of the west-northwest. 93 for the day today. Mostly sunny, hot with some spotty storms pushing their way through. There's the heat advisory for the entire area. It includes the Nature Coast today, and have a feeling for the rest of the week through the weekend it will also include, well, really the entire area. There's your heat risk, and notice how it goes up. Look for more coverage of the reds and purples. That's what you're going to see. And again, it does include Monday as well, because it looks like we're drying out. If we get a little bit more dry air in the mid-levels, that will help with some of the heat. But as of right now, it looks like we're not getting that. We'll see how the forecast models, see if they change as we head towards next week. So again, widespread triple-digit heat with a little bit hotter conditions for tomorrow. Again, you see 109, Bradenton, Riverview, quite a few spots at 106 to 108. And then we go Saturday, look at Bradenton, 110. So again, we're going to see those hot spots that are well above that 108 mark. Marine forecast looking good. Light chop at the base, seas at about a foot. There's how you cool down. Go to the beach. Gulf temperature, get in the waters. 87 degrees, low rip current risk today. And really all the way through the weekend. UV index is 11. Look how beautiful that shot is out there. Rain chances go up for Friday, then gradually down Saturday into Sunday. That's going to add to that humidity. And again, you know, the humidity adds to the heat. So there's what you have on the radar right now, pushing its way in. We'll see a few storms for the afternoon and through the evening. Better chances are going to be just outside of our area to the east. Then on Friday, we'll start to see those storms developing as we go throughout your mid-afternoon. We'll see some through the evening commute, and then they'll die down through the overnight. And again, they go down a little bit for Saturday. Beautiful start to the day. And then as we go mid-afternoon through the evening, we'll see a few scattered storms. Rain chances go down a little bit more for Sunday. We have post-tropical crystal ball, and you see we also have two areas of interest. We're watching this one, 80% potential for tropical development. We got 30-mile-per-hour winds moving to the west at 21. The good news is forecast models really increase that wind shear through the weekend, and that looks like that is where that one could potentially die out. Of course, watch that closely. And then the next one, almost a carbon copy, 30-mile-per-hour winds moving to the west at 15 miles an hour. This one does make a little bit of a curve up to the north of the Lesser Antilles there, maybe right through the northern part. But again, same thing as we go throughout midweek next week. The wind shear looks to be relatively high there. We'll watch both of these systems through the weekend and into next week. There's your weather impact alert. Actual temperatures in the mid-90s for the weekend and for next week, but we do see an increase in those rain chances.